Today, let's talk about going to court. It can be stressful for a lot of people, even some attorneys who don't do litigation or family law. We want to at least give you a list of do's and don'ts. Our team has learned from our experience what works and what doesn't work, when judges or referees become upset, or what they listen to and what works. I'm Jim Crayveld. I'm the founder and president of Crayveld Law. In my 30 years of practicing family law, I have gone to a lot of different courts and experienced a lot of different judges and referees. Most courts nowadays will have a security system, so don't take along anything that won't pass through a security system. You'll have a metal detector to go through. When you go to court, wear appropriate clothing. Dress like you care. That means normally professional attire. Doesn't necessarily mean a suit, but you ought to have at least a collared shirt, long sleeves. Dress like you care. If you're wearing a dress or a skirt or business attire, it's always going to be beneficial because it shows that you care. If you are representing yourself, be prepared. You're going to need to know what you want to argue, what you want to say. Practice your speech before you go to court. Once you get into court and you're actually going to be conducting a hearing, don't interrupt the other side. Don't interrupt the judge or the referee. Always be respectful and civil. You'll have your opportunity to state your objections, state your arguments, state the facts, make your case in what you're asking for. Take a notepad. You'll want to be able to write down notes, know what the other side is arguing, and at the end, when the judge makes his or her ruling, you're going to want to write that down so that an order can be drafted. If you have an attorney, or the other side has an attorney, they'll probably draft the order. But otherwise, you need to be ready to do so. Above all, listen to what's going on with whatever anybody is saying, the other side or the judge, the referee. There's an option. Right before you go into court, the other side might reach out to you, especially if they have an attorney. They may want to talk to you. If you're represented, they may want to talk to your attorney to see if that any kind of a settlement can be reached. Often, cases can be resolved before going into a hearing, and people will end up in discussions either through their attorneys or discussing with the other side to see if they can settle it. That's always better because you're in control of reaching a settlement. So, do's and don'ts. Do's: remain respectful, listen, be prepared, conduct yourself appropriately. Don'ts: don't interrupt. Don't forget to call the judge Your Honor. Show the respect. Don't go in dressed in blue jeans or shorts or some kind of a shirt with an inappropriate message. Act like you care. So, if you have a hearing and you would like us to help, please give us a call. Thank you. Talk to you soon.